Brussels sprout sometimes gets a very bad rap, but Glenn Flood is here to show us that we can transform this beautiful little sprout into something absolutely delicious.
Oh, yeah, this is a fantastic side dish here.
Yep.
So we're going to blanch them, caramelise them, so sort of deep fry, because
Yes.
in my philosophy, everything's a little bit better deep fried.
I agree with you totally. Now, these are gorgeous. These are red Brussels sprouts, and they're so tender because the smaller they are, I almost find that they're sweeter.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Great.
Right, let's kick it off. So
Yes.
all we've done here, Justine, is just trim the core off, all right? We're going to blanch them in some boiling water until they're soft.
Right, there you go. Stage one. And blanching, all you need to know about that is pop it into some rapidly boiling water. Once it comes back up to the boil, it's almost ready.
Yeah, and then we're going to take them out to let that water evaporate.
Very nice.
Justine, I'm going to get you straight onto the dressing.
Sure.
Yeah. So into the bowl here, some honey, some white balsamic, olive oil, and a little bit of garlic.
Okay, and you say a little bit, you don't want the whole clove?
No, I tried it with the whole clove. It's too intense. But if you love your garlic, absolutely go for it.
Okay, so just a touch of that. And honey. I love this combination, the honey and Brussels sprouts, which are going to be slightly nutty. They go nicely together.
Yeah, we're kind of going for this sweet and sour type approach. So what happens when we deep fry the Brussels sprouts is they get that caramelisation going on the outside, and the honey's going to help balance that out.
Ooh. And what type of vinegar was this, sorry?
This is a white balsamic vinegar.
Oh, right.
Yeah, so dark balsamic, good, but it's going to colour the dish a lot and probably a bit too heavy.
Yep.
Whereas the white balsamic is just going to cut through the
How
acidity.
much would you like?
Yeah, so about 90 mils of that, and then equal portion of olive oil into there.
Okay, some really good quality extra virgin olive oil. And we'll drizzle that in. All right, so how are our Brussels sprouts looking?
Yeah, they're awesome, Juz. They're ready to go. So what I'm looking for here is we're going to drain them out because we need all the moisture to evaporate off.
Yep.
Because we're going to deep fry them,
Yep.
it's really important that we don't have too much moisture, otherwise it's going to make a mess with the oil.
This is very, very true. So we're going to just let them steam there, like you say, for just a couple of minutes so they're as dry as possible.
Yeah, and see even these small leaves, how they come off there? They're perfect because they'll caramelise at a different rate.
Lovely.
That's what we want. So they're all blanched and really dry now, so we're going to deep fry them in batches.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we want to be careful with this.
We'll deep fry them in batches because we don't want to cool the oil down too much, right? While we're doing that, let's get the garnish organised.
Nice one. Oh, they smell good and they look just beautiful, don't they?
The nuttiness of this is what really gets me about this recipe. What we're going to do here is just tip them straight into the dressing, okay? Almost drown them in.
While they're still hot.
Absolutely, absolutely. Let them soak up all that flavour, right? And then just turning it through. Doesn't have to be any harder than that. You can hear how crunchy they are.
Oh, love this. And then you're just going to pop them onto a plate.
Yeah, drizzle a bit of that extra dressing around, all right there. And then let's just get that garnish on top.
A bit of salt.
They love salt. Roasted walnuts, yeah, really important here. Texture, right? So we're just building layers and textures. And think about the soft inner core, the crispy outer leaves. Now just bring it all together.
Gee, you're really selling this. You're selling these Brussels sprouts. I love it. And we've got to taste them when they're still piping hot.
Absolutely.
All right, dig in. Oh,
So good.
now that's how you cook Brussels sprouts, Glenn. Awesome.
Pleasure.
So good.